I would rather fail trying to take risks and go for something interesting than succeed making tight, predictable artwork. That's just how I see painting. And honestly, watercolor isn't always easy to approach that way. It has a mind of its own. It runs, mixes, mingles, blooms, and sometimes completely falls apart. But when I stop trying to control every little thing and just respond to what's happening in front of me, the work usually gets stronger. And if it doesn't, I'm fine with that too. I know how to repurpose rejects into something new later on, so why not take the risk? This urban scene wasn't really planned much at all. I mean, we've all seen buildings, cars, trees, people crossing the street. So I just started with a loose idea and made the rest up as I went. So as I move into the middle part of the painting, I'm starting to look around and decide, hey, maybe I need another figure, maybe another shape over here, maybe another dark accent. I just responded to what the painting was giving me. And honestly, sometimes having less of a plan leads to better work because now you're reacting instead of forcing. That's what I'm doing through the entire piece. I'm constantly asking, what's working? What's not? Where can I push it? Where do I need to simplify? And believe it or not, watercolor is actually pretty forgiving. You can wipe things out, paint over areas, soften edges, adjust shapes. And every time the process gets interrupted like that, it creates another opportunity to problem solve. That's valuable because those little adjustments become tools you can use later on in other paintings. So the next time you paint, loosen the grip up a little bit, have an idea, and then leave room for instincts and experimentation to enter the picture. Trust what you see, respond to it. And if it falls apart, maybe that's exactly what needed to happen. Because somewhere in that uncertainty, you usually find something better. Follow for more.